This probably wasn't the wisest idea. Whoa, that's slick. Okay. We don't know if we're going to find the ice caves or not, but right now we're just going to take a look around and just explore a little bit and see what we can find. Aaron and Finnick went off that way. I'm going to go up through here and investigate these rocks a little bit. Oh, that's a chipmunk. See if I can get him. See him right there. It's a chipmunk. I think we're gonna go down around this way, walk down the log. Whoa! Whoa, that's slick. Okay, we're okay. Okay, I gotta put the phone away.
When camping and off-roading, probably the worst thing you could have is have one of those glass cups break on you. We have these, and they're in the inside of them is metal,
aluminum,
and watch.
And they won't break if you drop them. Whereas glass, it would have shattered.
So you can get a cup like this to help support our channel, and you can customize the picture to be whatever you want to be.
And you can either have it in silver or white, or maybe a different color if it has it available. Don't know what trail we're going down, but we're on a trail and we're exploring it. And the Jeep's over there. And there's high bear activity area that we're in. We're still climbing up this trail. Don't know what trail it is, but we're still on it. Beautiful view. I don't think I'd be able to pick him up on camera. A chipmunk over on the rocks just running away. Come around this corner to find this.
The actual cave.
Yeah, no. Finnick, get out of there. I'm sorry, but no.
Here. Go over there and see if you can see down in. You see that area where it looks like a smoke? Somebody had a fire in there, I'm sure. Thinking I'd be the brave one.
We found a cave, and Aaron is going to venture into it and see what's in there. I'm a little freaked out about it. Because there's a, air vent hole right here. And that's a cave down there. The entrance
This should be the ice caves.
The entrance is where Aaron is.
So this should be the ice caves. Real low entrance here. Second room. Kids, are you up there?
Yeah, I'm right up here. I saw you move the stick.
Okay. I can see out the top of the hole.
I see you.
Okay. Okay. That's as far back as we're gonna go. I apologize, you were correct.
There's another cave.
This is super awesome. Do you have that selfie stick?
Not on me.
Damn it. I am very happy we were able to find this because there is absolutely no marker to this cave. There's nothing in the GPS that we could find. Everywhere else, this cave doesn't exist, but I'm glad we found it.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe.